Good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Vikas Gupta, along with Dr. A.S. Ramnarayanan, are going to present a paper on the title of Stock Return, Trade Volume, and Volatility Effect on Selected Indian Cement Companies' Stocks. So, this paper we are going to present in the International Management Conference 2021, organized by Center for Management Studies, Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi. So the cement companies in India are going to surge ahead by 2024. So in this study, impact on 10 cement companies stock has been analyzed to know the impact on the stock return, trade volume and volatility. These 10 cement companies are selected based on high market capitalization and the data was collected from NSE India. The stock return volume and volatility analysis give great attention to the investors, stakeholders, policymakers. So earlier studies have shown that stock return volume and volatility relationship is not detected. And few studies have shown the relationship between stock return volume and volatility. For analyzing stock return volume and volatility, we have used beta correlation, R-GAR co-integration and Granger causality test. Objectives of this study was to estimate the stock return and volatility of selected cement companies' stocks in India, to study the existence of serial correlation in select cement companies, and to analyze the relationship between stock return, volume, and volatility of leading cement companies in India. So we used 10 cement companies traded in National Stock Exchange. We collected daily stock return data. Sample companies were selected based on high market capitalization. The duration for the study was 1st April 2015 to 31st July 2020. So daily closing prices data we have collected from the Provis database. Some sample companies are like Ultratech Cement, Ambuja Cement, ACC India Cement, Shri Cements, Ramco, Birla Corporation, JK Lakshmi and OCL India Limited. Next part will be explained by Professor Ram. Thank you so much.
The table shows that the descriptive statistics of a selected companies. It reveals that Ultratech Cement, India Cement and JK Cement had a negative skew during the period. The negative skewness indicates that the higher probability of earning negative return, remaining companies shows a positive skew. All selected companies stock returns are shown in shows the higher kurtosis greater than 3. Higher kurtosis shows that the distributions of a return has a fat tail compared to the normal distribution. This implies fat tails in volatility and is an indicator of stocks. The table also shows that correlations of a stock return, volume, stock return and value, stock return and trade volume, value, trading volume, trading value and trades were tested in this study. The result shows that stock return and volume, stock return and value, stock return and a trade shows positive linear shape of 0 to 0.30. The result reveals that the volume and the values have a correlation of 0.90 and above is indicate that the volume value has a correlations. The volume trade and the values trade shows the correlations between 0.6 to 0.9. This shows strong positive relationship between volume trade and value and trade of a selected sample companies. The present table shows univariated unit root test resulting using ADF and KPSS test statistics. ADF and test and KPS test statistics result shows that all the companies stock returns are not stationary. Since the p-value is lower than the significant level, one should reject null hypothesis and accept the alternative hypothesis. Garch model used to estimate for financial assets return data and some of the coefficients of a laggard squared error and lagged conditional variance. The Garch specifications of a volatility reduces the persistence of conditions variance. Arch alpha 1 is lower than the Garch beta is shown the volatility of a stock return is affected by the past volatility more than the economic news, and lagged conditional variance is a close 0.50. The result shows very little evidence of a lead lag interactions between the series. Some of the result shows a casualty that is significant at 5% level. Finally, we want to say here, analysis the relationship between the stock return, volume, volatility in financial market is more important for research, trade and policy maker. It helps many portfolio managers and traders to make a better decisions in short term and medium term horizons. Very few studies have reported on this issue in an emerging market like India. This empirical study for a cement sector stock in Indian stock market, for this study 10 cements were selected based on the high market capitalizations. It focuses on a stock return, volume, volatility of a stock, selected stock. The study's result shows that the positive correlations between the price changes and volume, value and trade. Most of the stock shows asymmetric behavior. Gangrene casualty test shows past result does not show Ganger cost trade volume, but of the company's stock return Ganger's cost for the value. Thank you very much.